Welcome. Today we're gonna do a kid's haircut and we're gonna blend it using number 4 going down until the 1.5 using no lines. The back we're gonna do it in a V shape. We're gonna start the haircut. Our client's also ready to get his haircut. We're gonna start using number 4. In this case we're gonna make a fade with 1.5 in a V shape. We're gonna start top to bottom to avoid making lines in this haircut. Without making any lines, the haircut is a lot easier and we can finish faster. Trap the hair with the finger to cut it with the clipper. With this technique, the hair on the top is gonna be a lot easier to blend at the end with the scissors. In this area, we're gonna comb the hair to the right to extract the hair hidden in the back. We're gonna cut it the same way that we cut the top. We can use the same technique we use on the top, trapping the hair with the finger to cut it with the clipper to blend it faster. After we finish with number 4, we're gonna use number 3 a bit lower than we use number 4. Kids don't have a lot of patience. You gotta finish faster than you cut a regular person. Try to make the haircut no longer than 20 minutes. Continue cutting with number 3 without touching the number 4 area. Comb the hair to the right and cut it with the clipper going to the left. Use number 2 a bit lower than we use number 3 in a V shape on the back. In this area there's some shadow left. We're gonna comb the hair to the right and we're gonna cut it to the left using the corner or border of the blade. Comb the hair to the right and cut with the clipper going to the left. Continue cutting in a V shape without cutting the bottom. We're gonna use the 1.5 with the hook a bit lower than we use number 2. Here we have a light area. Avoid cutting it and only clear the darker areas around. This haircut, we're gonna do it without lines. We're gonna go gradually from top to bottom using a 4 and we're gonna end with the 1.5. I only use a line if I'm gonna use the 1/2 or 0.5. Using this technique you can finish the haircut faster. If the haircut is higher than the 1/2 or 0.5, a line is not necessary. We are cutting from right to left, only clearing the dark areas. We are cutting a bit lower than we use number 2. Continue this area using the border of corner of the blade, polishing this area of the haircut. We're gonna reduce the volume in this area and we're gonna use number 4. We are only gonna use the border of corner of the machine. Continue with the trimmer to make the outline. This area of the sideburn, we're gonna use the lower part of the trimmer, going up. The connection of the ear area, we're gonna make it with the higher part of the blade, going to the right. The rest of the hair we're gonna cut it with this part of the blade. This way we avoid cutting the client. This area on kids is very sensitive. We are gonna connect the outline on the right side with the back. We're gonna use this part of the blade. We are making the connection rounded. The rest of the hair we're gonna cut it with the trimmer going up. This area we cut it going up. This way we avoid cutting the client's skin in this sensitive area. This part of the sideburn we're gonna comb it to the right, and we're gonna cut with the corner of the blade of the trimmer going up. Make this area as natural as possible. Continue with the border of corner of the blade of the trimmer. Now we're gonna start with the left side, and we're gonna start using number 4. Continue cutting in a V shape. We're gonna comb the hair to the left, and we're gonna use the clipper going to the right. Trap the hair with the finger to cut it with the clipper. Comb the hair to the left and cut with the clipper going to the right. We're gonna use number 3 a bit lower than we use number 4. We're gonna blend the haircut using number 4 going down until 1.5 without lines. Now we're gonna use number 2 a bit lower than we use number 3. Cut the hair to the left and use the corner of the blade to cut it going to the right. Continue with the 1.5, and we're gonna use it a bit lower than we use number 2. In this area we're gonna comb it to the left, and we're gonna cut with the clipper going to the right. In some cases you also can cut going up. Avoid cutting more than you need using only the corner or border of the machine. In this area we have some shadow left. We can use the border of the machine to lift the hair and cut it. Continue with the trimmer, making the edges on the left side. Use the corner of the trimmer going up. Make this area as natural as possible. The border close to the sideburn, we're gonna make it going up. The connection of the ear area, we're gonna use the corner of the blade going to the left. The rest we're gonna cut it with the trimmer in a vertical position. Proceed with the edge on the left side, and we're gonna make the connection with the outline on the back. Comb the hair to the left. Use this part of the comb to extract the hair hidden on the edges. Connect the edge on the left side with the back using the corner of the trimmer. We make the edges rounded and the bottom part in a V shape. In children, the muscles of the neck are not yet developed. Most of them have a dimple in the middle. Extract with your finger the hair hidden. Extract with the finger the hair hidden and cut it. We're gonna apply water to the hair to start cutting the top. The top, we're gonna cut it with scissors. We're gonna use 2 fingers touching the scalp in a 90-degree angle on a horizontal position all the way to the back. Connect the guideline with the left side. Connect the guideline with the right side. The first lateral section, we're gonna make it with 1 finger touching the scalp all the way to the back. gonna connect both sides with the front. The back, we're gonna make it with scissors, 2 fingers touching the scalp in a vertical position. Cut from right to left or left to right. The area close to where we use the machine, we're gonna make it with 1 finger to blend it. We're gonna check this part of the haircut using scissor over comb, going up, cutting only if it's necessary. We're gonna make the style of the cut. In this case we use cream, and this part of the haircut we're gonna comb it going up. We style the front also going up. We finished the haircut. This was a fade with a 1.5 in a V shape. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. I suggest you watch my previous videos, and if you like them, hit the like button and subscribe.